Hey everyone, and welcome to another episode of Drive the Wheels Off. Today, we're going to be pulling this dent out of my 2011 MDX. We're going to be using multiple tools, all of which I'll have in the description below, along with a link on where you can pick those up. Today we're going to be using this Central pneumatic dent puller. I picked this thing up at Harbor Freight. I already have the air compressor set to 90 psi, so let's go ahead and get started. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is it. It's by no means perfect, but for my first time ever removing a dent, I'm pretty happy with it. There's a few dimples and things in here, and obviously some of the paint came off. I'm going to be doing some sanding and do some putty and paint work. I'm not going to do that on this video, but if you're interested in seeing that, go ahead and put it in the comments below, and I'll video that as well. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and the subscribe button down at the bottom, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye. Comments below, and I'll video that as well. Hi buddy, how are you?